In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Discord password if you forgot it. So first thing you want to do, go to Discord. Then if you're logged in, then you need to log out. So I'm going to go to settings and then log out here. Go here. And then now we're going to click login. And then we have to type in the email. So I'm going to type in the email here. Once you type in the email, just click forgot your password. And then now they will send you an email. So go to your emails. So I'm going to Gmail here. You can see they sent an email. Then you have to click reset your password here. Okay, and then here is where you can change to your new password. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.